Yang terhormat, dosen dan guru penguji ujian kinerja PPG dalam jabatan Angkatan Pertama tahun 2021 Universitas Muhammadiyah Parepare. Perkenalkan, nama saya Indah Susanti. Saya mengajar di UPT SMA Negeri 10 Luwuk Timur yang beralamat di Kecamatan Tomoni Timur, Kabupaten Luwuk Timur, Provinsi Sulawesi Selatan. Pada kesempatan ini, hari Senin, tanggal 19 Juli tahun 2021 pada pukul 9.00 sampai dengan pukul 10.30 waktu Indonesia bagian tengah. Saya akan melaksanakan praktik pembelajaran untuk memenuhi ujian kinerja PPG dalam jabatan Angkatan Pertama tahun 2021 dengan mengajarkan materi pada kompetensi 3.2 dan kompetensi 4.2 dengan materi Job Application Letter pada tingkat SMA kelas 12. Untuk lebih jelasnya, berikut adalah video pembelajaran yang saya laksanakan. Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, my students.
Morning, ma'am. Morning, mom.
How are you today?
I'm fine, mom.
Fine, mom.
Alhamdulillah, I'm fine too, ya. As you see, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Okay, we again, even though through the media, yeah. What about your internet device? It's okay?
Yes, mom.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
About my voice? Can you hear clear?
yes, ma'am.
It's okay? Okay, before we start our lesson today, I want to ask one of you to lead PR to pray before start our lesson today. Who want to lead? Isaac Zulfikar, time is yours.
Well, class, before we start to learn today, let we pray first according to our belief and religion. Pray be start.
Finish? Okay. Thank you, Isaac Zulfikar. You have lead. We are to pray, yeah. There is a student late, yeah, come to our room. Who student late? Eva Elenia, ya.
Sorry, ma'am.
Okay.
Jaringan tadi, Bunda.
Okay, cause your device, ya, internetnya.
Ya, Bunda.
It's okay, doesn't matter, ya. Now, everybody attend the class. We have prayer. Okay, for Eva, because you late come, we have take pray just now. I let you, Eva, to take pray by yourself, yeah, before we study. Please, Eva, take pray by yourselves, yeah. Promise you.
Yes, ma'am.
I think it's okay, yeah. Well, everybody have your breakfast?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, mom.
Yeah, don't forget breakfast in the morning, yeah, before we start our lessons, yeah. Well, class, before we continue to our meeting today, our lesson today, I want to check your attendance one by one. So I think everybody have attended the class. Raise your hand when I mention your names, yeah. Elizabeth.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Dewa Ayu Eka.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, good. Dewa Ayu. Eva Elenia.
Present, ma'am.
Diva.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Made Puspitawati.
Present, ma'am.
Isaac Zulfikar.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, class. Before I continue to our material for today, I want to remind you that you know that every student must have a dream, yeah, that they want to achieve. It is hope that with every dreams, you know dreams, yeah. What is dream?
Mimpi.
Okay. It is hope that with every dreams that students have, they can motivate themselves to be more diligent in studying, prepare various skills that need, so that the education they take can be passed with enthusiasm, more directed and measurable because it has a goal. Now we are still in pandemic era. Even though we have learned start from home and through this media, so everybody just keep your spirit, keep your enthusiasm in learning. Well, class, in the last meeting we have meet the first times. Did you remember what is our lesson in the last meeting?
Offering help, ma'am. Ma'am.
Offering
Offering helps.
Offering help, ma'am.
Yeah,
Mom.
good. About offering helps. Anybody knows? What do you understand about offering helps?
Give help to someone.
Who can give example the expressions of offering helps?
Eva, Mom.
Oke, Eva, sama siapa?
Example-nya, can I help you? Let me help you.
Okay.
Would you like some help?
Okay.
What do you?
Oh, okay, it's very good. Everybody can express the how to offering help to someone, to other people. Because we have to become useful persons in our life. And then for our lesson today, I want to ask you about everybody. Can you mention some professions around you?
Teacher.
Teachers.
Farmer, ma'am.
Farmer.
Mom.
Construction workers.
Farmers, teachers. Okay. Among the several professions that mentions just now, which one is your dream?
Teacher, Mom.
Teacher, ma'am.
Farmers. How about Ulan? What is your dream, Ulan?
Pharmacy, ma'am. Farmer, ma'am. Pharmacy.
Pharmacy. As a apotheker, Apotheker.
Yes, apotheker, ma'am.
What about Dewayu? What do you want to be? What is your ambition?
Doctor, ma'am.
Doctor. Good. When you are going to apply for a job, what do you need to prepare? What will you do?
Job application
letter.
Okay, so now we learn about job application letter. Before I enter to our material, let's see about what is the learning objective that we have to reach in these lessons, in this learning process. Firstly, after this learning, you can explain the social function, text structure, and link with features in the form of job application letter text. And then the next, you can analyzing the social function, text structure, and link with features of several job application letter. And then after you analyzing, you can arrange the jumble sentence from the text of the job application letter into the correct paragraph by paying attention to the structure of the text and the link with features of the job applications letter text. And the last, you can show information contextually related to social function, text structure, and linguistic element or language features means that is there are four items that you have to mastering after these lessons. Okay, the benefit of these lessons, this lesson about job application letter, it's very important for you because now you are in grade 12, it's not long time again. you will finish from senior high school, and then you will done two choice. Yeah, the first choice is you continue your study on university and then looking for job after finish from university. But maybe some of you have a choose after finish of from senior high school. You try to apply for job. Yeah, apply for job. That's why this material is very, very important. And then there is a differentiate between the application letter in Indonesian versions and with the application letter in English versions. And now we learn about application letter based on English versions. Let's see. What will we do during our lesson? Yeah, the first, we have a target that we have to understand about the learning objective. The target is you can explain, you can analyze, you can arrange, and then you can showing information in contextual text. Yeah, and then the process of learning, there is a classical discussions and there is a group discussions. Yeah, the process of our learning, there is a synchronous and asynchronous. Which one is the synchronous things? Synchronous is like we done now. Yeah, we can face to face. But for the asynchronous, before these lessons, I have sent the teaching material from Google Classroom and WhatsApp group. And then after our lesson today, you will continue with answer some questions through Google Form that I will send after our lesson today. Yeah, that is the procedure our lessons. By learning about job application letter, you can understand how to write a job application letter. You can consider the position to be applied, which must match your academic qualification and skill. Okay, this is our learning activity. There are 4 activities. Yeah, the first activity, you will explaining job application letter. That is a target. And in the second activity, we will analyze job application letter text. And the third activity, you will arrange a jumble paragraph or jumble sentence. And then the fourth activity, you will show information contextually. Okay, are you understand?
Yes, Mom.
Yeah.
Okay, so I think is it clear, yeah? Now let's we enter to the first activity. In this activity, I want to show you some pictures. Pay attention to the pictures, yeah? And there is some question that you have to answer. But you pay attention to the picture first. I give you time 5 minutes, yeah, to pay attention to the pictures. Understand?
Yes, Mom.
Okay, let's see. This is the first pictures, yeah? What do you understand about the pictures? I give you time 5 minutes to thinking what happened to the pictures, and maybe you have a question, please ask me. Yeah, time is yours. Finish?
Finish, Mom.
Yes, Mom.
Okay, good. What do you think about the pictures? Want to answer? Okay, there are you?
Elsa. Do you, Mom?
Okay, time is yours.
The picture the left is waiting for the interview, while the right is being interviewed.
Okay, what about any others? Ada yang lain? Okay, time is yours.
The right is waiting for the interview. The left is being interviewed, Mom.
Okay, in the left side, the right, waiting, interview, and the left side, being interviewed. It's very good. Pay attention to the next pictures. This one, yeah. There are two pictures. This one, and then let me discuss one by one. The first is the picture in the right side. If you are, please answer the question, yeah. I give you time, 3 minutes to pay attention, and then let's try to answer the questions. Time is yours. Finish?
Finish, Mom.
Finish,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
The first in the right side, yeah. If you are an applicant who graduated from high school, did you decide to apply for a job?
Mailanisa, ma'am.
Mailanisa, time is yours.
My answer is no, because one of the condition is a diploma graduate, not a high school graduate.
Okay. One of the requirements minimum diploma graduates, yeah, is not high school graduate. It's very good. Good answer. Any other answer? Okay, time is yours, Isaac.
My answer is no, because the written requirement is that diploma graduates are not high school graduates.
Good, yeah, good. It's good decision, yeah. What about the pictures in the right side? What do you think you need to do in order to be accepted to work on this field?
As a prospective teacher, must be good at public speaking, have maneuverable expertise in teaching certain materials. As a flight attendant, you must have interactive appearance, academic qualification in the field of aviation.
Okay, very good. Any others? Okay. Okay, no answer. Let's we continue. There are some vocabulary that usually you find in job application letter, or you want to write in job application letter. This one is usually used in job application letter. Let's read together. I want to hear your voice. Time is yours. I point.
To appear.
To appear,
Next.
requirement,
Okay, good. Next.
includes,
Enclosed. Okay. Next.
qualification,
Qualification. Okay, good. Next, we continue to the next activity. Yeah. But before I continue to do this activity, any questions? Maybe after you read the teaching material, or maybe you have read some example of application letter, or during our lesson now that maybe I explain but it's not clear, please you may ask me. Any question?
no, ma'am.
No. So everybody's clear?
Yes, Mom.
Okay, next let's we continue. I want to show you a video. Pay attention to the video, and then write some important information from the video. Yeah. Can you see the video?
Yes, Mom.
Okay, if you can see, let's pay attention to the video, yeah. Don't forget to write down the important information based on the video.
Okay, ma'am.
Well, class, our material today is application letter. Do you know how to apply for a job? Before we continue to identify an application letter, let's learn about some vocabularies that always found in an application letter. Requirements, qualification, enclosed, advantages, to appear, resume, consideration, persuaded, in order to. Let's discuss one by one. application letter in English start with an applicant address and date of writing a letter, and then followed by the address of the company you are writing to complete title and address, don't abbreviate. Then followed by salutation and opening in the first paragraph. Here, you mention the source of job vacancies. The next is body of letter. In this section, you mention the position you want. In closing, make sure that you mention your address clearly, so it can be easy for management to contact you. Then, close by writing your name and signature. Don't forget to enclose your resume, because this is the first thing the company sees in an applicant when applying for a job. Okay, class, how about our lesson today? It is so easy, isn't it? Well, class, thanks for your attention and being together.
Okay. There are some information that you get from the video, yeah. Please write. I give you time 5 minutes to write down the information. After you paying attention to the video, let's to identify each part of job application letter to make you more understand about text structure of job application letter. Okay, I understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's see. Let's try to analyze the part of job application letter. Yeah. Part 1, this one. Part 1, it's start from release until April. This one. Yeah. What the name of this part?
The applicant's address.
The applicant's
The
address.
application address.
Okay, good. Yeah, very good. Yeah. And then what about number 2?
The address of the company you are writing to.
Of the company you are writing to.
Okay, very good. Yeah, the address of the company. And then what about this one?
Salutation.
Okay, very good. What about number 4? This one, number 4. Yeah, I'm writing to you in response, etc.
Opening paragraph.
Opening paragraph. Okay, good. This one it's called opening paragraph. And then number 5. What part of is number 5? Body
paragraph.
Okay, body paragraph. Body of letter. Yeah. And then number 6.
Closing paragraph.
Closing paragraphs. Okay, good. And this one, Tanserli Lilis Handayani. What is called? What part of this one?
Initial and signature.
Initial and signatures. Okay, initial and signatures. Okay, you know that this one of part of text structure of applications letter. Until now, any questions?
No, ma'am.
Eva, maybe?
No.
Eva, any questions?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. Maybe some of you think that when you learn Bahasa Indonesia, yeah, you get the form of application letter is different with this one, because this is in English form. Yeah, applicant address first, and then followed by date of writing, and then the company address. Salutation, opening. Okay, are you understand?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I pray for you, yeah, to the God that everybody that join the class for today, you get a good job, good position in the future after you finish your study. You can easy to reach your ambition. Amen.
Amin. Thank you, ma'am. Amin.
Okay, let's we continue to the next part. Yeah, everybody knows what is the definition after we read about job application letter. After we are analyze the one of example job application letter, What do you know about the definitions of application letter? Who knows? Okay, Dewa Ayu, time is yours.
An application letter is a business document, part of the important correspondence between applicant and organization, firm or company, institution, or variation and committee that public vacancy.
Okay, okay, next. Who knows about what is the social function of application letter? Nyoman Siska, time is yours.
To introduce yourself to an organization, demonstrate your interest in the company or a specific vacancy, draw attention to your resume, and motivate the reader to interview.
Okay, good. Yeah, make sure the social function that you want. This one is to apply for job, and then when you apply for job, your quality is depend on your job application letter. Yeah. So when you want to apply for job, try to make a good application letter. That's why we learn application letter today. Yeah. Okay, very good. Yeah. Next. What is the generic structure of application letter? Who know the text structure of application letter? Lalita, time is yours.
Applicant address,
Yeah,
date, employer's address,
yeah,
salutation, opening paragraph,
yeah,
body of letter,
yeah.
closing paragraph,
Good.
closing, and signature.
Okay. Initial and signatures. Okay, very good. Thank you. Next, what are the language features you can find in the application letter? Now, you are in grade 12. Yeah. Of course, when you grade 10 until grade 12, you enter to grade 12, you have there are many language features. Yeah. And then the special for application letter. What are the language features that you can find in application letter? Who can answer? Melanisa, okay? Any others? Ada yang lain lagi? Isak? Okay. What are the language features you can find in application letter? Okay. Time is yours, Isak. The first?
Language feature of application letter is use of simple present tense.
Okay, simple present tense. What about the others? What else?
Use formal language.
Use formal language. And then?
Use of voice.
Passive voice. Okay, good. What else?
Full form.
Okay. Anything else? No. It's enough, yeah? Okay. Now, to improve your understanding about our lessons about job application letter, we will continue to the next activity. We will discuss in group, yeah. Before you enter to the group, each group, pay attention to the explanations, yeah. What will you do in the group? The first, I want to send you example of application letter, and then you will analyze of both of the application letter, and then the next you will arrange a jumble sentence. There is a jumble sentence, yeah, of application letter. You arrange that and you do it in group. And then the last, to make you understand well about the job application letter, you can show some information that you can find from text. Everybody understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next, I ask you to enter in each group. I divide you become 3 group, yeah? I will divide you become 3 group. Please enter to your group through the link, yeah? Okay, can you? Please move to each group. You discuss that. Move to your group and then discuss about the tasks that you have done in your group. Okay, I understand? Please move to.
Yes,
I have
ma'am.
sent the I have sent the link in the WhatsApp group, yeah? Or I wanna send again here. Oh, I wanna send here from the chat box, yeah? Okay, I send the link here also. Okay, pay attention, there are 3 group. You may throw this answer at this link or the link that I have sent in the chat box.
Teman-teman sudah lihat tugasnya yang membedakan teks 1 dan teks 2?
Sudah.
Sudah, Kak.
Sudah. Menurut kalian, yang teks struktur untuk teks 1, your address-nya itu yang mana? Kalau menurut saya, teks 2-nya itu tidak ada your address-nya.
Kak,
Ya,
iya cuma teks aja yang ada address-nya.
yang mana itu ya, Pak?
Kan kegiatan analisisnya itu membedakan teks 1 dan teks 2. Di teks pertama itu ada keterangan address applicant-nya, pelamar kerjanya, ada keterangan alamat, sedangkan di teks 2 itu tidak ada.
Oh ya, jadi teks 1 itu yang your address-nya itu yang John Donaldson itu.
Iya.
Terus kalau writing date teks 1-nya itu 14 Agustus 2020, sedangkan teks 2-nya itu 23 Januari 2014.
Iya, Kak.
Iya.
Menurut saya, George Giholay Times Union, dari situ sampai hot file CA08065.
Ya, kalau yang teks 2-nya itu George Sebastian Prospers sampai di CA0806.
Opening paragraph.
Itu dari
I'm waiting to apply sampai references. Paragraf pertama itu di teks 1 kah?
Iya.
Terus yang closing paragrafnya itu dari icon nih,
Ya.
yang closing
Sampai di employment
teks 1-nya. Teks 2-nya itu dari please see my resume. Itu kan?
Iya.
ya.
Thank you for your time gitu tuh. Tugas 2-nya itu mengurutkan, ini kan tugas 2-nya.
Iya.
That you have arranged into the correct order. Itu urutan yang pertama urutannya menurut saya itu yang FK.
Iya, alamat.
Yang kedua itu
Tanggal desa.
yang keempatnya itu urutan yang keempat itu bagian H kan? 7 kah? Bagian 7-nya itu terus yang C. Sekarang kan sudah itu urutannya ya. Urutannya jadinya itu F, G, A, B, A, B, C. Itu urutannya ya. Terus yang tugas ketiga itu yang answer the following question.
What was question letter?
Question letter.
Jawabannya answer.
Mr. Laila Purnama kah?
Manager, ya.
Yang itu toh, yang nomor 1.
Iya.
Terus kedua, Hendra Ward Deleter.
Hendra Harmula.
Nomor 3, why did the applicant deleter?
He want to apply for a job.
Artinya itu apa?
Dia melamar pekerjaan.
Oh ya, begitu kayaknya deh. Gitu aja. Terus yang nomor 4, what position did the applicant apply for? Apa posisinya?
Posisinya ya?
Motor seli.
Kayak kaum mekanik.
Motor seli.
May help me.
Motor flying mechanic. Itu toh?
Iya.
Terus 5-nya, how did the applicant get the information about the job?
First in Paris.
Saturday.
Versi nomor 6-nya, what is the applicant educational background? Itu apa artinya? Apa artinya soal nomor 6?
Tempat sekolahnya enggak?
Sekolahnya itu di mana? Apa jawabannya?
Karya bangsa Palembang majoring and automate engineering. Pertambangan ini kan? Engineering pertambangan.
sekarang kan sudah itu huruf ya.
Ini cara jawabnya harus anu kah? Man,
Apa?
Itu tuh teks 2.
Teks 1 sama teks 2 dulu.
kan?
Dan cari persamaan
Teks
sama
1.
perbedaan.
Teks 1 yang mana jawabannya?
Itu yang teks struktur.
Oh iya dapat.
Jadi di sini siapa yang mau tulis untuk teks 1 dan teks 2-nya?
Ya. Apa?
Bisa kamu tulis jawaban dari perbedaan teks 1 dan teks 2.
Yang mana perbedaan, weh?
Itu yang
Oh,
yang perbedaan teks struktur toh?
Yes.
Oh iya dapat.
Nggak ada permasalahan kan untuk teks 1 dan teks 2? Bisa lanjut di teks selanjutnya.
Teks struktur yang mana itu?
Itu ada di bawahnya jawabannya.
terus letak perbedaannya di mana?
Itu
Sama
letak
sih,
perbedaannya. Kalau di teks
Itu.
2 dia untuk teks 1 dia ada your address, sedangkan untuk teks 2 dia tidak ada.
Oh,
Oke, kayaknya cuma itu yang saya temukan perbedaannya. Untuk yang lain bisa temukan perbedaan.
Itu yang teks 3 menyusun teks atau itu? Ada teks yang paling bawah.
Iya, teks 3. Yang teksnya itu acak kan?
Yang ngecek. Siapa yang tulis itu? Dibandingkan juga kah sama teks 1 dan 2?
Enggak.
Atau cuma ditulis saja urutan?
Langsung saja urutannya. Biar saya yang tulis itu teks 3 yang 10 nomor itu, biar saya yang tulis. Terus itu untuk yang teks yang belum disusun rapi.
yang mana?
Siapa yang tulis?
Yang mana kah?
Oh saya tulis.
Kayaknya
Lah, saya ngapain?
Jawab.
Kamu bantu Lalita, bantu saya jawab dari nomor 1 sampai nomor 10 bisa?
Oke.
Untuk nyaman Tanti, sama Lalita sama Isak, bisa bantu Lati dulu cari jawaban. Kira-kira mana duluan teks yang benar dari teks acak ini?
Yang acak.
Yang mana teksnya, Cak, teman?
Itu berita itu.
Di bawahnya teks 2.
Di bawahnya teks analisis. Itu yang A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H.
Oh.
Berita.
Udah.
Kira-kira yang mana pertama duluan ini?
Itu yang F.
F pertama.
Oke, yes.
Oke.
Yang pertama.
Pertama. Terus tuh yang kedua?
G. 10 Agustus.
Oke, tanggal ya. Lanjut. Ketiga?
Yang ketiga D. Budi Raharja.
D. Oke. Keempat?
Dear Mr. Raharja. H. Bagian H.
Oh, iya, oke. Kelima?
Bagian B. I would like.
Bagian B.
B.
7? Oke.
Ya.
Next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6.
Bagian
A. The opportunity.
6A.
Bagian A.
A.
Ke-7?
E. Please see my.
Please see my
Oke,
CV
berarti
for.
yang terakhir itu C.
Teks 2, siapa nulis teks 2? Yang
Saya. Kan itu yang di anu toh? Di kolom.
Iya, Oke. Sudah selesai kamu nulis, Ap?
Hah?
Sudah selesai nulis?
Ya.
Lalita?
Saya mau tanya, untuk nama kelompoknya itu ditulis di bagian atas, tengah itu.
Di bagian atas, paling atas.
Teman-teman, ini saya mau memastikan. Ini yang teks 1 your address-nya anu toh? Yang paling atas itu John Donaldson.
John Donaldson. Terus
Sampai
8 circle.
Sampai email kayaknya itu.
Sampai email.
www.com.
Tanpa
Teks
emailnya.
2-nya nggak ada.
Ya, apa?
Teks 2-nya
Teks
nggak ada.
2-nya nggak ada.
Teks 2-nya tidak ada address-nya.
Baru the writing date-nya Agustus
Untuk teks 1
14.
Agustus 14 2020, untuk teks 2 Januari 23 2014.
Terus the address of the company year.
Itu yang George
Untuk teks 1
Gil Foley sampai
dari Gil apa ini?
0805.
Teks 2-nya
Teks
sama.
2-nya George Sebastian sampai 0805 sama.
Ya.
Cuman
Baru
bedanya dia
salutation-nya sudah, baru opening paragraph.
itu Dear Mr. Gil Foley.
Kalau
Ya.
opening paragrafnya untuk teks 1 dari I'm reading sampai reference. Begitupun
2.
dengan teks 2 dari
Teks
I'm
2.
reading sampai reference kayaknya. Ya.
Salutation-nya teks 2 tuh ya yang Dear Mr. Sebastian.
Ya. Middle paragraph reader.
Body.
Kita.
Iya, apa kau mau presentasi, Cak?
Coba lihat
Tuh.
itu apa namanya?
Coba lihat pekerjaan Cak.
Ada kan?
Wow.
Mana nama kelompoknya?
Apa kelompoknya?
Ini sudah saya tulis foto tadi.
Oke.
Oke.
Masuk tadi.
Pekerjaannya Tati, kasih lihat, Ti.
Okay, for group 2 ya. If you finish done all of the tasks, you move close from this group and then move to the main room ya. Move to main if you finish. Understand?
Yes.
I enclose my application letter
Okay, in the main rooms, there is another group still presented in their group 3 ya, haven't finished yet. So we wait.
bagian A. The opportunity you offer is very interesting and I believe that my previous experience and educational background will make me a very competitive candidate for this position. With a bachelor's degree in communication, majoring in journalism, I have a full understanding of organizing ideas and facts in various writing styles. I have worked as a freelance copy reader and global meetings. Bagian E, please see my CV for additional information for my experience. I can be reached anytime via email at sutaayu@hotmail.com or my mobile phone.
Okay, for group 3, after you finish to discuss, you back to main group ya, main group. Understand?
Okay, Mom.
Oke, kita menunggu ya. Sudah ada beberapa grup yang sudah siap. Time will be over. Kita punya waktu beberapa menit lagi untuk mempresentasikan. Oke, kelas. Hello, are you ready?
Ready, Mom.
Ready, Mom.
Okay, group 1, there is here, and group 2. What about group 3? Are you here, group 3? Raise your hand. Where is group 3? Have you here? Okay. Group, let's present. Okay, class. Can you see the slide?
Yes, I see, Mom.
Okay, let's present the result of your discussions just now, yeah. Okay, the first activity is analyzing 2 kinds of text, yeah. Please analyze the differentiate, yeah, between text 1, text 2, yeah. And then we enter to arrangement, yeah. Let's practice this one. Which group want to present the result of analyze?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Hello, Mom.
Who want to present? Group 1. Maybe group 1. Want to answer? What is the differentiate between text 1 and text 2 that you find in your discussion?
The address application.
Pardon me, the address of?
Applicant.
Oh, the address of applicant. What happened?
In the text 1, ada address applicantnya, but the text 2 nothing.
Okay, the address applicants. What else? What is another differentiate?
The writing that text 1 Agustus 14 Agustus.
Okay.
Title and address text 1. Georgi Giholi Times Union 87 Delaware Road Altpark CA 0 Rose Company 25 Saint John Court Hartfield CA 08065 to
Salutation.
Mr. Giholei. Dan teks 2-nya Dear Mr. Sebastian.
What about group 2? Group 2? What you find? What is the differentiate between a group text 1 and text 2?
Yes, benda.
What is differentiate? Group 1 say that the differentiate is about the address of applicant is nothing in text 2 gitu ya. Itu perbedaannya yang didapat oleh group 1. What about group 2? Did you find the differentiate?
Oh, sama saja, Bu.
Okay, the same. What about group 3? Did you find the same?
Same, Mom.
Oh, the same. It's okay. Well, the result of your discussion you write in the book. You send through the WhatsApp group, yeah. Send your tasks for the analysis in WhatsApp group. Okay, class. Thank you for the process of analyzing. I hear your discussion is very active in your group. And then we continue to the next, yeah. Arrange a jumble sentence of job application letter. Next, what about this one? What is the arrangement? Okay, time is yours, Dewayu.
1 F G D H B A E C.
Okay, good. Okay, from group 3, what is the arrangement? What is the arrangement of the jumble sentence?
F, G,
yeah.
D, H, B, A, E, dan C, Ma'am.
Okay, good. What about group 2? Can you mention the result of your discussion about the arrangement job application letter? Time is yours, group 2.
D, A, B,
yeah.
A, E, and C.
Okay, good. Next. Now showing, let's practice to show the information contextually. You can understand about the application letter based on this text, yeah? Okay, what about number 1? Who want to answer number 1?
Eva, Mom.
Eva, time is yours.
Number 1 answer is Mrs. Laila Purnama, personal manager.
Okay, address 2, yeah. This one, yeah. Okay, next. What about number 2? Want to answer? Okay, Melanisa, time is yours.
Hendra Harjuna, Ma'am.
Hendra Harjuna, good. What about number 3? What did the applicant write the letter? Why did the applicant write the letter?
Dewayu, ma'am.
Okay, time is yours, Dewayu.
He want to apply for a job.
Want to apply for a job. Okay, good. Very good. How about number 4? What position did the applicants apply for?
Motorcycle mechanic, ma'am.
Motorcycle mechanic. Okay, good. Next, number 5. How did the applicants get the information about the job vacancy? Who wants to answer? Isaac, time is yours.
The answer is advertised in Horizon Post newspaper on Saturday, November 10,
2019.
2019.
Okay, good. Very good, Isaac. Thank you. Next, who want to answer number 6? What is the applicant's educational background? Oh, Melanisa. Melanisa.
Number 6 answer is SMK Karya Bangsa Palembang, majoring in automotive engineering, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Number 7. Who wants to answer number 7? How did the applicant gain his practical automotive skill? Want to answer number 7? Raise your hand. Nyoman. Oh, Isaac again. Time is yours, Isaac. Okay, time is yours.
Number 7 is internship at PT Wahid Teknik Palembang afforded the crucial skill to work with professional technicians. He assisted them in general repairs of various brands of motorcycle.
Okay, it's usually you can find about your quality, the applicant quality in the body of the letter, ya, di paragraf utama atau isi konten daripada surat lamaran kerja. It's okay, good, thank you, good answer, Isaac. Next, number 8. What is the applicant's competence? Dewa Ayu Eka. Time is yours.
His skill in proper standard care in automotive repair.
Okay, good. Next, number 9. Ulan, ya. You raise your hand. Ulan, time is yours. Number 9. Can you answer it? Why does the position suit the applicant?
Because he is graduated from automotive engineering, so it is very suitable for the position as motor skill mechanic.
Okay, so it depends on the qualifications, yeah. Next is very good. The last question, number 10. What is the applicant ready for? Raise your hand. Nyoman Nila Sari, raise your hand. Okay, time is yours.
He is ready for work under pressure in a team.
Okay, ready for work under pressure for teams. Okay, class. Everybody have answered. It's very good. Yeah. And the last questions, it's the skill that you have when you want to work in some of instances. Yeah. I think it's enough. Yeah. So everybody can answer the questions clearly. So I see your discussion in the group is very active. Thank you very much. And for the next, after you paying attention some pictures and after you see the video and then you do analyzing and arranging some jumble sentence and then answer to showing the information contextually. You have done it, all of the processes running good, yeah. And then until here, any question?
No, ma'am.
No,
ma'am.
It's clear, yeah. So because this is a clear, who can conclude our lesson today? What is our learn today? Who knows about the what is the application letter is?
An application letter is business document, ma'am.
Business document. Okay. Any others? Any others?
Part of important correspondence between applicant and organization, ma'am.
Okay, good, very good. What is the social function of application letter?
To introduce yourself to an organization.
Okay, what about the others?
Demonstrate your interest in the company or a specific vacancy.
Okay, demonstrate. Demonstrate.
Your interest in the company or a specific vacancy.
In the company or specific vacancy. It's very good. Who knows about how about the text structures of application letter?
Applicant address,
That
employer's address, salutation, opening paragraph, body of letter, closing paragraph, closing, and signature.
Okay, good. It's very good, yeah, Melanisa. How about language features? Who knows what kind of language feature that used in application letter?
Eva, Mom.
Yes, time is yours, Eva.
Language feature of application letter is use of simple present tense, use formal language, use of passive voice.
Okay, it's very good. Thank you, Eva, for your conclusions. So everybody can get all of the informations and the target that we have to learn for today. Yeah, you can explain about what is application letter, the functions, and mention the text structures and the language features. I'm very happy for it. And thank you very much because you have attention our material for today, yeah? Okay, class, because you have concluded our lesson for today, I want to ask you, what about your feelings about our lesson today? Are you happy?
Yes, ma'am, I'm happy.
I'm so happy, Mom.
Okay. What is the advantages that you get for our lesson today?
We know how to write the application letter.
Okay. Any others?
Some, Mom.
Okay, Dewa?
We understand about application letter.
Okay, well, class, thank you very much. During our lesson today, you are very active and you understand well, and you can explain everything, the instructions and the questions, you can answer clearly. Okay, I appreciate all of the response, yeah. And then for the others is that never active during our lesson today, maybe another students can be your motivations, yeah. And then you have inspiration from them to active in our lessons. Okay, I pray to you that you will be success in the future. Well, class, even though we have find some trouble, but all of activity was done. And then for the next, yeah, I remind you that don't forget to follow the health protocol because we are still in pandemic era. Just keep your enthusiasm in learning even though you have to learning from home. For the next is I will give you tasks to make you more understand about our material for today. I send the link of tasks in Google Classroom, yeah, in Google Classroom, and I want to send also in WhatsApp group. You have to try to answer some questions based on your understanding for our lesson today. Yeah, understand?
Yes, Mom.
And pay attention to the link I save in chat box, yeah, and you do it after our lessons. I wait your answer until 14 o'clock today. Okay, I send the links. You can see the link, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you very much for joining the class for today. Now we are still in pandemic era. Please obey the instruction of our government. Yeah, take care yourselves and obey the health control of COVID-19. I hope everybody in good conditions until all of the pandemic is left in this world. Yeah, I mean, before we close our meeting today, let's we pray together. And I ask Eva Elenia to lead your friend to pray to close our meeting today. Time is yours, Eva.
Okay, Mom. Well, class, before we close the learn today, let me pray first according to our belief and religion. Pray be start. Finish.
Alhamdulillah, thank you very much, Eva Elenia, for your guiding for pray today. And thanks very much for your attention. I close these meetings by reciting Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
And good morning.